Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Hello. My name is Nikas Twistman, or as you might would call me, Mr. Awesome. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Denmark and myself. Let's start off with me, shall we? I was born on this island. It's called Fyn in Danish. I don't know what they call it in English, but it's called Fyn. I was born in southern Fyn, in the city called Svendborg. Svendborg is kind of a big, small, medium kind of city. It's not that big. My parents had lived here in 4 years before they had me. They both originally came from Copenhagen, and when I was 1.5 years old, they decided to move east to the island next to Fyn. The island next to Fyn is called Zealand. My parents moved to the capital of Denmark. It's called Copenhagen, or in Danish København. Copenhagen is a big city. It's the biggest city in all of Denmark. It houses 1 million people or more. I don't really know actually, but I know it's over 1 million. I've been living in Copenhagen for 16 years now, and I can tell you all, it's awesome! Now what is there to tell about myself, besides that I'm awesome and handsome? Well, there are a few things that I'd like to share with you. Let's see. I love to party. It's almost all I do in the weekends. When I'm not partying or going crazy with ananas, I'm just relaxing with my friends or being on Facebook or watching a movie or playing soccer with my friends and stuff like that. Just chilling and having a good time, you know. Relaxing is also a big part of my everyday life. I like to sleep and chill. But there's also one last thing I really like to do that you should know about, and that's suiting up. There's nothing better than a good suit. Okay, now you know something about me, right? Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I actually don't really know. I actually think it's a bad thing. Never mind that. Now I'm going to tell you about where I come from. That's right, Denmark. I'm not going to tell you everything about Denmark, but some examples. For example, the ladies. So let's get started, okay? Danish women has for a long time been recognized internationally as some of the most beautiful women in the world. This picture is a great example of a lovely, springy Danish woman, and I've chosen not to reveal her name so her identity can remain unknown. In June 2008, a guy named Molly Safer launched an investigation to find out who the happiest people in the world were. The results came in 2009, and the announcement were that the happiest country in the world were Denmark. I don't know why Denmark is the happiest country in the world, but it probably has something to do with the amount of alcohol the Danish people consume. The reason why I have chosen Tuborg and not Carlsberg is because Tuborg beer is my favorite beer. Danish beer brands such as Tuborg has evolved from a national business to an international supplier of beer. Tuborg and Carlsberg is the same to Danish people as Guinness is to the Irish. Beer in general is a big part of Danish culture and has been drunk for many years by the Danish people. Copenhagen is a very special city, not because of the buildings or the tourist attractions like the Little Mermaid. Copenhagen is special because of the people living in the city. I would advise the common tourist to visit Denmark or Copenhagen in the summertime, because it's in the summertime that people start to get together and party. I'm not saying that you just should go crazy and jump into the party, but that you should take a look and experience the union between people of different ages, religion or culture. The Unity party is very special and can be experienced at the biggest party in Copenhagen, Distortion. Distortion is held at 5 areas in Copenhagen, namely Nørrebro, Østerbro, downtown Copenhagen, Islands Brygge, and my neighborhood, Vesterbro. The spirit at this party is very special and should be experienced at the night time when people really go nuts. It is magnificent. Well, you guys, it's been a pleasure talking to you and telling you about myself and my country. I can't wait to meet you. It's been a real pleasure talking about Denmark, and well, that's it. Looking forward to see you. Bye.